Welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. So we've got another tiny little unboxing here for this item right now, and then later on we're gonna piece it together with another video. So this was from Pink a la Mode's Spookfest, and we did buy one of the virtual tickets. So they sent out a swag bag type thing for all the ticket holders that have some fun little goodies, and then they almost did actually cancel Spookfest, but then a lot of people were like, no, we don't mind waiting for the items, so they brought it back on, but the backpacks and other items will be coming later on. So when we get those, we'll show them off too, but for now, our swag bag did arrive, so we're really excited to take a look at it. Oh, so how cool is that? For Halloween, the Hocus Pocus Spookfest, the swag bag comes in not a bag, but a cauldron, which is so cool. So perfect for Halloween, and it's even got some tissue paper to look like it's on fire. So let's quick take out the items inside this cauldron and see what we've got. So first, we've got, how cool, it's a Hocus Pocus pin set. And these are actually, so they're special for the ticket holders, the white versions of the pins. So I think that if you still want them, the normal versions of the pins that are colored might still be on Pink a la Mode's website. Under the Spookfest section, we'll put a link to there in the description. But these are pretty cool, I like these. And next, what a cool little touch. We've got some candies from Candy Club. So this is Witch's Brew. They look like little bats and cats and things in there. I see some pumpkins, and it is some gummies that are orange, grape, and green apple flavored. So perfect for fall. Those sound really, really good. Me and Jamie are definitely gonna eat these, probably like tonight.
Didn't you used to have a subscription?
Yeah, way back in the day, I did have a subscription to the Candy Club, so I don't think I ever tried those though. And next we've got, so I think this is a coin pouch, a Hocus Pocus coin pouch. Let's take a look. So that's really cool. Maybe we'll take it to Disney and keep some collectible pennies in there. And then you've got a lanyard for Spookfest. So that's pretty cool. Hocus Pocus lanyard. Got a little kind of Binks tag on there. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. And then last but not least, it looks like we got a really, really cool Spookfest 2021 t-shirt from Pink a la Mode. So that's kind of cool. I don't know, it's just really nice. If we look at all the items, and the cauldron, of course. It's a really fun little swag bag. They give a bunch of cool stuff between the pins, the coin pouch, the lanyard, the candy, and the shirt. I like all of it a lot. So the virtual ticket for this was $40, but it included all of the swag bag stuff here and early access to the event to get any of the items that you wanted without having to rush for them or worry about them selling out. All of Pink a la Mode's events do come with little swag bags like this if you buy tickets. So we actually did buy a ticket for their Enchanted Winter 2, which we're really excited for. But so for now, we hope you liked getting to look at this swag bag for the Spookfest, and we will have more Spookfest items coming that I actually bought from the event with my early access too. We'll talk about those once they arrive. We can't wait to see you then. Boo! Welcome back. We just opened the cauldron with the swag bag from Spookfest stuff. Now, with a little bit of Hocus Pocus, the bag appears. How cool. So this is the Winifred backpack, so it's part of Spookfest too. It's a Pink a la Mode exclusive. This is the Winifred cosplay. It is actually pretty cool. So you got the cosplay here with the kind of faux leather applique of her face, of course. And then the bag here, it's all kind of like this felt green material. It's kind of like this green felt material that's really soft. It feels almost velvety. It feels really nice actually. And this cool kind of stitching and embroidery for the shirt and the Loungefly plaque there with that green color that's kind of there. And this green almost feels like that foamy faux leather that we've seen on some other backpacks. Gold hardware for the zippers. And actually, I promise I did not plan this, but my green velour spirit jersey actually is like the perfect match for this Hocus Pocus spirit jersey. The material
for this Hocus Pocus
for this Hocus Pocus Loungefly backpack. This spirit jersey is the match. It's got side pockets. Look at that too though. You got this purple trim going up the sides there and these pockets. How cool. And that purple is really cool because on the front here too, with that gold for the outfit and the purple, and you got the purple that matches with it on the sides there too. And again, gold hardware for the zippers. In the back of the bag, we got another glorious morning. Makes me sick. So that's pretty cool. Just a nice green, same kind of that velvety, felty material with the green, almost like foamy faux leather for those accents there. And I really like that the straps are purple. So that looks really cool with the trim and the straps matching up and just kind of setting that purple color against the green. It looks really striking. And of course, we got to take a look at the best part, the lining. Ooh, that's pretty cool. So you got some cauldrons, some eyes, some potions, the black flame candle. That's really cool. Nice little print there. That's really cool. That would actually be a cool print for a backpack, like a subtle little Hocus Pocus bag. But wait, this is only one of the Sanderson sisters. Where are the others? Here's Mary in wallet form. Along with Winifred Sanderson, we've also got Mary, who's pretty cool as a wallet, and it says, I smell children. And you've got the Loungefly badge there and also kind of her outfit, which is really cool. And this one is a wallet, so let's take a look at the inside. Really nice, actually. You got that same print that's in the backpack. You can kind of see that there in the back. And then nice spots for cards, an ID holder. That's really cool. And the wallet actually has some pretty cool details. Like I like the color of the plaque there. This is faux leather, and then this has that felt material, and it's got these cool little, these are actually metal here, so nice details. And a little bow tied there on the front. It's a pretty cool wallet. So we've got two of them, but where is the third Sanderson sister? There we go. The third and final of the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. Here is the Sarah cosmetic pouch. It's kind of like a big coin purse cosmetic pouch type thing, but it's really cool. This one's got awesome details too. Got the faux leather here for the outfit, a different kind of faux leather underneath. And on the sides there, this string tied down like the outfit with the same kind of velvety, felty leather up there. And on the back, got that really cool red pattern faux leather there. And boys will love me with the red Loungefly plaque. And purple for the felt there too, which kind of matches with the front of the outfit. So that's really cool. Let's see, this one will have the same lining. Yep. The same lining as the backpack and the wallet, but that's really cool. So we have here all three of the sisters, the Mary wallet, the Winifred backpack, and the Sarah cosmetic pouch. So all together as a pair, they do look really, really cool. So here you can see everything from the first part of this when we got the swag bag for Spookfest to getting all of our items now all together with the Winifred backpack, the Sarah pouch, the Mary wallet, the pins, the lanyard, the little coin purse, the shirt, and the cauldron, of course. In the first part too, there was some candy, some witch's brew candy, but of course we ate the candy. We couldn't not eat the candy. It was really good, so shout out for putting some good candy in there that we like too. It was a long time coming. It is definitely not Halloween. It's like almost the opposite of Halloween now, but we'll hold on to these bags. They'll be really cool for the future, you know. They're awesome for a Hocus Pocus fan. It was a really cool event. We paid $40 for the ticket, as we mentioned before, to get the early access, some discounts on the products and the items included in the swag bag. So I would say it was worth it for us. I would do it again. I did like kind of the exclusive merch, having a theme for everything. It's really fun when you put it all together. So shout out Pink a la Mode for a cool event. And if you did like getting to check out all this Spookfest and Hocus Pocus merch with us, make sure to leave a thumbs up on the video, comment letting us know which item is your favorite, and subscribe to the channel for more of these when we make them. And as always, thanks for keeping up in Disney. Happy Halloween.